Hi, do you want to start a multi-vendor grocery application like bigbasket, grofers and blinkit? Then have a look on our latest developed application, eGrocer. Here is our application. You can log in with your mobile number and OTP. And after login, you can see the UI and UX of our application. You can put a pop-up message from admin panel. You can control sliders, category and all the data from the admin panel. The advanced feature you will get voice search feature. You can search via voice. You can filter out the data according to the location. Also, at the advanced features, you can choose variation from the outside. You don't need to go inside of the product to choose a variations like this. Okay, you can share the products like this. You can add to cart and all other features like this. Okay, from here you can browse according to the category. So if you want to start a multi-vendor grocery application like this, then you can contact us, details showing on your screen, and we will show you in